Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is January the 16th and I'm using my new Easy Scalper trading system. Has two excellent scalping tools or indicators. First one is the Easy Scalper and the other one is the arrows called the Super Signal Indicator. They will give an audio alert and a pop-up box, as you see right here, suggesting to either buy and or sell. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments and of course looking at my daily trade plan. Once I make a decision I want to be buying and or selling, I will manually put in this white arrow. Now here's my daily trade plan running in real time. It analyzes all the different time frames from the monthly right down to the 30 minutes. Does a lot of calculations, and then in the comments it'll make a suggestion whether you should be selling or buying, or there's just not enough strength. And if you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, now it doesn't have to be this one, but you have to have some kind of a daily trade plan, or else that is one very good reason why you are failing. If you have any questions, well, just get in contact with me. Now let's run a check on these trades. First one I did was the pound CAD. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. And this one here, just by looking at it, it did qualify for a great way to trade. If you love Fibonacci, well, you'll love this advanced Fibonacci tool. All you got to do is click on this tab right here. You would go from swing pivot high to swing pivot low, and it did come back to entry 1 right here. And usually if it hits 1, 2, or 3, entry that is, it'll go down to at least minimum 2, 3, 4, 5 or more. And as you scroll down, it goes all the way down to number 10. If you have any questions on this fib tool, again, just get in contact with me. So I took the trade after this bit of a pullback, got in pretty close to the entry 1. Took the trade at that point. This is where I actually saw it. I closed it out, locking in 12 pips and locking in $89. Moving on to the next trade, which is the pound Aussie. Here we go. Ended up buying this one. Let's see where I got in at. Took the trade at this cursor. Super Signal, Scalper, Daily Trade Plan. And remember, this is the market. It's very random. I knew it could do another cycle, or it could have went just straight up. But I took the trade at this point, and I closed it out just being happy with 16 pips, and that paid out $112. Moving right along to the next trade, which is the dollar CAD. This one I wanted to be selling. Daily trade plan, scalper, super signal. Well, it's a no-brainer. All I got to do is take the trade and grab some pips. Again, had a distraction around the house, whereas I would have closed it out a little bit lower. But I was happy when I closed it out at this point, locking in 15 pips, and that paid out $118. Moving on to the next trade, which is the euro dollar. Now the euro dollar, because the USD is on the right hand side, pays $10 for each pip. Looking at the money, well, easy to see this should be 14 pips. So we're going to drag and drop this up. I sold it. Daily trade plan. Got the super signal way back here. I just waited for a pullback and then I got in the trade. So did qualify for a great way to trade. I was 95% sure, you know, I was going to get some pips. It could have broke the bottom and kept going, but I closed it out here, locking in, looks like 14 as I mentioned, and those 14 pips paid out $140. Moving right along to the next trade. Now the last two here, they're futures indexes. They move a lot more, they pay a lot more, and that's why you'll see the larger amount of profits produced by these instruments. Okay, on the NASDAQ. This one I wanted to be buying, so let's see where I got in first of all. Trade plan said to buy. There's your buy signal arrow, easy. The scalpers was blue. So took the money, divided by 20 as it pays $20 for each tick. It says it's 22.2, so let's just go and look for that 22. There it is right there, 22 ticks, and that paid out $444. Moving on to the last trade, which is the DAX 30. Here we go on the DAX 30. Wanted to be selling it. Now I did drop it down to the 5 minutes. Had to wait for the cycle. I thought it was going to go down at this point. Did one more little cycle, another little cycle, and then finally it went according to my daily trade plan. So I took the money, divided it by $3, like 3.75. Calculator says it should be 385 approximately. So let's see if I can go find that 385. Well, that's as close as I'm going to be able to get, but it is 385 ticks, and that paid out $1,443. Remember, you're going to need 4 things to succeed at trading. You'll need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education. I can provide you with a lot of education. And don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now you must think like you're learning to become a doctor or lawyer. You should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now when you buy from me, I do give support, and without support you have only a 5% chance of succeeding. After you buy from me, I'll tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets. I'll do that in a free Skype call. Now if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. So another great day of trading using my easy scalper. I knew it was going to be well over 200, mainly because of this DAX 30. I added up all the pips and the ticks. Grand total came to 464, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $2,347. Now if you have any questions or you want to buy anything at all you got to do is get in contact with me. Now if you look right below this video in the description, you'll see a banner, the word more. Just click on it. It'll open up another window with all my contact information plus a lot of other information. Inside that box that pops open, you'll see my phone number. You can actually pick up the phone and call me if you desire. You can send me an email. Now I do prefer Skype, even if you think you don't have Skype. Well, if you have a computer or a cell phone, you have Skype. All you got to do is click on the link. We'll have a connection, and through that connection we can talk live, do some screen sharing, and I can answer your questions. Also in the description you'll find 4 different packages. I do have a lot of packages, and some of them I do offer to a 50% discount. And if you want to know what they are, well, just get in contact with me. But at this point in time I do have a special offer. The 4 packages you see, I recommend getting at least 3. Now if you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 package for free. So in other words, you buy 2 at $500, I'll give you a grand total of 3 packages. So, just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.